we are now looking at how to invoice a business partner, which is just a space rental partner, therefore not a member. We have already added Joanne Coy. She is our space rental partner, which we want to invoice. There are, of course, two options for us to invoice her. First option is by using the sales order, which we already created. The point of the sales order is to actually create a standard order which we can email for our business partner to check and to confirm if the offer is valid. In case the offer would be valid, let's say she agrees actually to having the meeting room for 1 hour and the workshop room for 3 hours, the next step is to actually create a sales invoice from an order. So the way we do that is that we are actually quick launching create invoices from orders, and we are selecting Joanne as a business partner because she's the one that we actually want to create. Joanne Coy. Okay, and we put search. She's already here and we can process it. While this order is being processed, there will be a new invoice created where you can see created one invoice, and this is the number of it. And now what I will do is that I will quick launch invoice, which is the sales invoice. And here is where I could see exactly the invoice that I generated from the order. Joanne Coy, here is then her invoice. I can also print it for me just to see if all the data is in there, and if I'm convinced everything is in there, what I can do is that I can directly email it. We also have here the status of the document, if the document is complete or if it's a draft, and if the email is sent or not. I'm also going to open the sales invoice so that you can see all the information on it and how the sales invoice is looking right now. Another option would be with creating invoices from orders. Instead of actually using this function, is to go at the sales order, which is booked, double click on it, and we're checking it.